everybody, it's Erin from Catawba Science Center, and I'm going to share with you what 5th graders learn about weather on their field trips to the Science Center. It's my favorite, so I'm excited to share with you this demonstration that with parents being here to help, they could easily do. And so I've just got a Mountain Dew can that has this much water in it, Mountain Dew, and I put it on the burner to heat up, and now you can see steam coming out of it and you can hear that it's boiling. That means it's ready. And this is we're going to use to show about air pressure. You have to think of the invisible things. So think about how there's a bunch of molecules of air in the room, and there's like a mile or more of air molecules above us, and gravity pulls it all down, and so it's pushing on us. So keep that in mind as you watch this demonstration. Next, I'm going to show you an activity about convection and how it relates to weather. You have to have some warm water. You can put it in a little container like this. Add a little food coloring. Of course, red for hot. You can also make a cup of cold water. So we got our ice cold water, our red hot water, and a box of water. I'm sure you most likely have a box similar to this that you can use. If you happen to have an empty aquarium, you could use that also. And this is representing the layer of the atmosphere where weather happens, which is called the troposphere. It's the bottom layer, the one closest to the Earth's surface. And you can have your kids hold these up and pour them in very slowly. You can see that hot water, which is representing air, is going to the top, and the cold water is sinking down to the bottom. That's because the cold liquid, the atoms are more densely packed in there, as opposed to the red liquid where the atoms are far apart. So it's less dense. Less dense things go to the top and more dense things go to the bottom. And this is a huge impact on our weather, where it can make fronts happen. You see this nice line? You probably heard the weatherman or weatherwoman talking about fronts, and it all happens because of the density of that air. I hope you have a good day.